further out we get, the bigger they are.
Yeah, those are, well, I wouldn't say that. That one was probably a 10-footer. Those are only like 6-foot swells.
Are you recording, Ron?
Yeah.
We're all gonna die!
Fucking Hurricane Seattle, baby. Damn.
Well, it ain't
This
gonna
is
get
like
any
a
better.
steady 50-mile-an-hour wind out there.
That's a good one, dude.
Yeah, there was a roll.
These boats are so big and so heavy, they just roll right through.
Oh yeah, we have nothing to worry about. A little boat out there right now would be having trouble.
That's not a good spot to stand, lady.
I know.
I'd love to see one come. Here it comes. Crash.
That was a deep. Yeah, look at those, dude. Those are 10-footers there.
Ooh.
You see that? Probably see on there better. All right.
Yeah, that's an